Here's another idiot-proof side hustle anyone can do. Part 2. Let me show you. And this is an AI that literally can do anything for you. How simple is that? Now I'm going to use something called ChatGPT. I asked it to write me 30 headlines for a money affirmation journal and let it go to work. Here's what it came up with. Now that we have all of these done, next step, copy this and paste it in a Google Doc. Next, you want to download this into a CSV. Now here's going to be the super cool part, so make sure you like this video and save it for later because you're going to want to reference this. So next we're going to go to canva.com and you're going to search journal pages, and then you're going to find one you like and edit it. Next, you're going to come over to the apps button and you're going to click bulk create, and this is where you upload your CSV. Next, you're going to go over to where you want your titles to go. You're going to click these 3 dots here, and then you're going to click connect data. Once you do that, it's going to put the first headline here, and then you're going to click continue, and it's going to ask you if you want to generate 29 more pages. And now you have a 30